And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn. If you're new here, you should definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. It just simply notifies you when I upload a YouTube video. So today's video is going to be a closet clean out purge. My closet was even worse than my room, you guys. It was horrific, like awful. So I wanted to purge, clean out, do everything I could to make it look spotless, and I'm glad I did because now it looks amazing. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. Are you ready for the moment of truth? This is so bad, y'all. This is god awful. Like what even is this? So we are going to be tackling this today. And whenever I open this, I just truly get unhappy because I'm like, what the heck? Like, I don't wear half those shoes, I don't use half these bags, and I truly just don't know what's going on here. So we're gonna tackle this bad boy today in hopes that it can look 10 times better. First, what I think I'm going to do is kind of just go up here and get rid of clothes that I know that I don't want or that I don't fit in. So I think I'm going to do that first, just because this looks too full up here. Like I don't know, I don't like how full it looks. So we're going to go through this right now. Also, right now, I want to fully apologize about my appearance. This is just how we're doing it. So let's go ahead and get started with looking through all of my clothes. This can go. Still has a tag on it from Ross. I will never wear this. This is ugly. Sorry if you wear anything like this, but personally not my style. I might start a Poshmark because I can make some money off of my clothes, and your girl needs money right now. So oh, this, see, the stuff is falling out the bottom. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, but yes. And then this I've had for years. It's definitely been worn a lot. I just broke my hanger. LOL, I truly got rid of maybe 10 things, but I promise you, I literally, like, I wear like most all of this, so I think I'm just gonna keep it. I want to organize this at some point, but just not right now. I want to kind of do this down here first and then go back and organize this by, in my dorm I had it by like style of clothing and also color. So like short sleeves and then Roy G. Biv, and then like long sleeves Roy G. Biv, and like stuff like that. So I think I'm going to do that later, but right now I'm going to tackle down here somehow. Not a clue how, but we're just gonna go ahead and start. So I think what I'm going to start out with first is my shoes. I'm going to go through all of these shoes that I don't want, which I think is most in here because the shoes that I wanted I took to school and they're like someplace else. So I think I'm going to get rid of most all of my shoes in here, but then we'll kind of do everything else. First, I really like these shoes. I think they're cool. They're just like some Nikes, but I've held on to these for so many closet clean outs and I just never end up wearing them, but I truly think I might start wearing them, so I'm going to keep these. Actually, these I'm for sure gonna get rid of. They're cute, I like them, but they're just, I've barely even worn them, so I'm going to actually sell them on Poshmark or whatever clothing store I decide. These I'm getting rid of, like just flat out throwing away. Look at them. I'm going to keep my bean boots. I really like them. I'm such a liar. I told y'all I was gonna throw away most shoes, but I truly do like my Crocs and I wear them. Next are these shoes. I'm definitely gonna keep them. I do like these. Next, these Toms. I don't know why I ever liked Toms. These things are hideous. Next are my Jack Rogers. I love these. They're so cute, but I don't know where the other one went. Like, I've missed the other one for years, so I think it's time to part ways. Alright, I'm not gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and just like throw the shoes away that or like take the shoes away that I don't want anymore. Oh my gosh, these are my Uggs and I never wear them. But something just like, I just feel like I need to keep these. Okay, now all of the rest of the shoes I think I'm gonna keep. These I just truly, I don't know, they're like nice business shoes, I guess. So I think I'm gonna keep them. But everything else, like I like these. These I probably will never wear, but they're new and cute, so. I think the problem with this whole clean out thing is I have a Christmas tree that I'm never going to put up anymore because I'm never here during Christmas. So part of me wants to take it to my apartment, but truly don't know. I have a battle wound. I'm bleeding. It hurts really bad. Alright, so now everything is cleared out. So now I'm just going, I really need a vacuum. No way that I'm getting a vacuum in here. So we're just going to leave it, I guess. So now what I'm going to do is put my shoes up here. As you can see, I have put all of my shoes there. I have some more shoes over there from college that I'm going to bring over here and just put on the bottom row. But for now, this is looking pretty good. As you can see the floor. So now I think the next step is coming up here, clearing out this, because this has literally been here for at least like 8 years at this point. And then those are Christmas ornaments for my tree that I don't use. And then this is, I don't even know. So we're gonna come up here and kind of clean this out. So I just got this box down from up top. And these are literally all shirts from old like things that I went to. So this is like my old swimming shirt. What is this? Oh my gosh, I think this is Colorado. Oh my gosh. Oh, Duct Tape Festival. My like elementary school, you guys. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because I truly don't want to get rid of it. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put it back up there. Okay. I just got down all of my Christmas ornaments from my Christmas tree that I normally put up, but I don't need them anymore because they're so old, and honestly they need to be thrown away, but because half of them are broken. But it's so sad. Okay, up there I like painted that, and these are old trophies that I don't want to get rid of, so I think those are just going to stay up there. I just got this stool, so we're gonna step. Got that. And lastly, I don't even know. Y'all, my room, I just cleaned this. Look at this. This is bad, you guys. Now, I put bags inside of bags in here, so I'm going to be putting this at the top of my closet. Then lastly, at the top of my closet, I have these 2 camera bags and this one. So I'm going to be putting that up there. Yeah, I am sweating so much right now. Okay, so I got everything. So now all of the rest of the stuff is either donate, trash, or going to my apartment, or so. Alright, you guys, so I actually just finished cleaning my closet. I have not organized them in color or anything yet, but for right now, this is what I have. I got rid of a few things, and then up there I got rid of like a few things as well, and I put some more stuff up there. And then here's just my clothes, and then all of my shoes that I have. There's some on the back of my door as well, but yeah, and then those are all the hangers that I'm not currently using. So yeah, that's my finished closet. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely go ahead and hit the like button down below. It just lets me know that you are enjoying my content, as well as subscribing and following me all of my social medias. They'll be on the screen right here for you guys, as well as down below. And I will also be making a Poshmark to be selling all of my clothes that I got rid of. So I will also leave that down below once I make the account. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye, you guys.